how to buy PNUT, the Squirrel on Base, PNUT token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, as you can see, first of all, make sure to take a look on the Rex account. Now, after that, go and open this token on CoinMarketCap and go to contract and copy the token address. Now, this token address is came under the Base network. Now, just go to use the Bitget wallet to buy this token. Now, after you open the Bitget wallet, now we will add this token to our wallet first. Now from here, just switch the network to Base, as you can see. Now after that, click on this little plus icon and copy or paste the token address. Now after that, as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus. Now after that, go to your wallet. And now after you find your token, just click on it. Now after that, click on swap and here switch the token to be able to buy it. Now from here, select the crypto that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. So after that, make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now after that, enter how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. So this is how much you will receive with that token. Just click on swap to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the PNUT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.